In the world of myths, stories abound about supernatural and legendary creatures, such as dragons, phoenixes, and sea monsters. But how do these myths compare to the scientific facts we know today? This article examines the comparison between myths and scientific facts, focusing primarily on the dragon. Dragons and myths. In myths, dragons are depicted as gigantic beings with wings and supernatural power. Their portrayal varies across cultures. In European myths, dragons are often seen as evil creatures that breathe fire and attack villages, while in Chinese myths, dragons are symbols of wisdom and power associated with weather. Myths portray dragons as beings with immense abilities and significant influence on the world they inhabit. Scientific facts. From a scientific perspective, there is no evidence of creatures matching the legendary dragon's description. Scientific research and investigations have not found any proof of creatures capable of flying and breathing fire. However, there are scientific explanations for the idea of dragons in myths. Ancient fossils, fossilized remains of dinosaurs, or other large creatures might have led to the belief in giant beings like dragons. Ancient fossils could have been interpreted as evidence of enormous creatures. Cultural symbolism. In many cultures, dragons are used as symbols of power, wisdom, or even evil. This symbolism might be ancient and tied to stories and myths that form part of cultural heritage. Physics and biology. Scientifically, the ability to fly and breathe fire would require physical and chemical processes that are not feasible in living creatures, making the existence of dragons as real beings unlikely according to current scientific knowledge. Conclusion. While myths provide fascinating and rich depictions of supernatural creatures like dragons, science does not support the existence of these beings as described in stories. However, myths remain an important part of cultural heritage and offer deep insights into how humans perceive the world around them. Science may explain the origins of some myths, but it does not diminish their value as part of cultural and imaginative legacy.